5 steps on how to make a girl chase you. Building a healthy and meaningful relationship is based on mutual respect, genuine connection, and open communication. Instead of trying to make someone chase you, it's more beneficial to focus on building a strong foundation and fostering a connection. Here are 5 steps to help you build a positive and attractive presence. Be authentic and confident. Being authentic and confident is a crucial aspect of building healthy relationships. Here are a few tips to help you cultivate authenticity and confidence. Know yourself. Take the time to understand your values, interests, and strengths. Knowing who you are and what you stand for allows you to present your true self to others. Embrace imperfections. Accept that nobody is perfect, including yourself. Embrace your flaws and quirks, as they make you unique. Being authentic means being comfortable with your true self, imperfections and all. Practice self-care. Take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Engage in activities that bring you joy and improve your overall well-being. When you prioritize self-care, you naturally exude confidence and authenticity. Be honest and transparent. Communicate openly and honestly with others. Express your thoughts, feelings, and opinions in a respectful manner. Authenticity involves being true to yourself and expressing your genuine thoughts and emotions. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Recognize your strengths and talents, and take pride in them. Self-confidence grows when you appreciate your own worth. Remember, authenticity and confidence are not about putting on a show or trying to impress others. They come from within and reflect your genuine self. When you embrace who you truly are, you'll naturally attract people who appreciate and value you for being authentic. Build emotional connection. Building an emotional connection is a fundamental aspect of fostering a strong and meaningful relationship. Here are 5 steps to help you build an emotional connection with someone. Active listening. Give your undivided attention when the person is speaking. Maintain eye contact, nod, and respond appropriately to show that you're engaged in the conversation. Reflect back on what they say to demonstrate understanding and empathy. Empathy and understanding. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and validating their experiences. Avoid judgment or criticism and instead offer support and understanding. Share personal stories and vulnerabilities. Open up about your own experiences, thoughts, and feelings. Being vulnerable creates an atmosphere of trust and encourages the other person to do the same. When you share personal stories, it helps create a deeper connection by fostering mutual understanding and empathy. Ask thoughtful questions. Show genuine interest in the person's life by asking thoughtful questions. Inquire about their passions, goals, dreams, and challenges. This demonstrates that you value their thoughts and emotions, and it encourages deeper conversations. Nonverbal communication. Pay attention to nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Respond appropriately and with empathy to the person's nonverbal signals. Nonverbal communication can often convey more meaning than words alone. Building an emotional connection takes time and effort from both individuals involved. It requires genuine interest, active engagement, and a willingness to be vulnerable. By fostering an emotional connection, you create a solid foundation for a strong and fulfilling relationship. Demonstrating your value involves showcasing your positive qualities, skills, and attributes to make yourself attractive to others. Here are 5 steps to help you demonstrate value. Pursue personal growth. Invest in your personal development and strive to improve yourself. This can involve acquiring new knowledge, developing skills, or working on your physical and mental well-being. Continuously growing and bettering yourself not only adds value to your own life, but also makes you more interesting and appealing to others. Show confidence. Confidence is attractive and can help you demonstrate your value. Believe in yourself and your abilities without being arrogant. Project confidence through your body language, speech, and actions. Be assertive, express your opinions, and take initiative in various aspects of your life. Share your passions, engage in activities that you are passionate about, and share those experiences with others. Passion is contagious and can spark interest and curiosity in those around you. When you share your passions, you demonstrate that you have a fulfilling life and can bring excitement and enthusiasm to a relationship. Be reliable and supportive, show that you can be counted on and trusted. Be dependable in fulfilling commitments and promises you make. Offer support to others when they need it, whether it's through active listening, offering advice, or being there for them in challenging times. Being a reliable and supportive presence demonstrates your value as a caring and trustworthy person. Contribute to the community, engage in acts of kindness, and contribute to the betterment of your community. Volunteer your time, skills, or resources to help others. Being involved in community initiatives demonstrates that you care about making a positive impact and can be an attractive quality to potential partners. Remember, demonstrating value is not about showing off or trying to impress others. It's about genuinely sharing your positive qualities and contributing to the well-being of others. By demonstrating value, you can attract people who appreciate and value what you bring to the table. Maintaining a sense of mystery can add intrigue and keep the spark alive in a relationship. Here are 5 steps to help you maintain some mystery. Don't reveal everything at once, avoid sharing every detail about yourself all at once. Allow the other person to discover different aspects of your personality and life gradually. This creates a sense of curiosity and intrigue. Keep some activities private. While it's essential to share experiences with your partner, it's also healthy to have some activities or hobbies that are just for yourself. This allows you to maintain a sense of independence and keeps an element of mystery in the relationship. Be selective with social media, use social media mindfully, and avoid oversharing every aspect of your life. Be selective about what you post, and keep some aspects of your life private. This helps maintain a level of mystery and gives the other person the opportunity to discover more about you in person. Maintain personal boundaries. Establish and maintain personal boundaries in the relationship. While it's important to be open and vulnerable, it's equally important to have some aspects of your life that are off limits. This creates a sense of intrigue and allows the other person to respect your boundaries. Surprise and spontaneity. Incorporate surprises and spontaneous gestures into the relationship. Plan unexpected dates, surprises, or activities that the other person wouldn't anticipate. This keeps the relationship exciting and adds an element of mystery and anticipation. Remember, while maintaining some mystery can be intriguing, it's crucial to strike a balance. Transparency, trust, and open communication are also vital in a healthy relationship. Use your judgment to determine how much mystery is appropriate, and always prioritize building a foundation of trust and genuine connection. Respecting a person's boundaries and independence is crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced relationship. Here are 5 steps to help you respect her boundaries and independence. Communicate openly. Have open and honest conversations about each other's boundaries and expectations. Encourage her to express her needs and desires, and actively listen and validate her feelings. Clear communication sets the foundation for understanding and respecting each other's boundaries. Seek consent. Always seek consent and respect her choices. Whether it's about physical intimacy, personal space, or decision-making, ensure that you have her explicit consent and respect her right to say no. Consensual interactions build trust and show that you value her autonomy. Give her space. Recognize and respect her need for personal space and independence. Understand that she has her own interests, hobbies, and social life. Encourage her to pursue her passions and spend time with friends and family without intruding or being overly possessive. Avoid pressure or manipulation. Refrain from pressuring or manipulating her into doing something she is uncomfortable with. Respect her decisions and choices, even if they differ from your own. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding. Support her goals and independence. Encourage her personal and professional growth. Support her ambitions, dreams, and goals. Celebrate her achievements and provide a nurturing environment where she feels empowered to pursue her own path. Remember, every individual is unique, and it's important to recognize and respect her individuality. Respecting her boundaries and independence fosters trust, strengthens the relationship, and creates a healthy and balanced dynamic between both partners. Remember, each individual is unique, and there is no guaranteed method to make someone chase you. Building a strong and meaningful connection is a two-way process that requires effort, respect, and genuine interest from both parties.